Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your DeepL password. So actually guys, first you will need to open up your favorite browser and then just go with deepl.com website, hit enter in your keyboard and then go with the login option that you can see next to start free trial button at the top right corner. So now all you need to do is to go with forget password option under the login button. So go ahead and click on it and then enter your email right here. So for example, I will go with that email and go with send reset link. Okay. So it says right here, if there is an account associated with this email address, a message with instructions on how to reset the password will be sent shortly. So now you will need just to go and open that email. If it's in Gmail, you will need to go with Gmail. If it's on Outlook, you will need to go with Outlook, etc. Just check that message or that email right there and just click on the link that they will send you and then just enter a new password and use it. So as you can see, this is the email that has been sent by DeepL. So go ahead and click on that link and right here you will need to enter a new password. Okay. And here you will need to repeat it. Then just go with change password. Okay, and now just enter the email, okay, and the password, the new one, okay, and then click on log in. So actually guys, that's it. It's so simple. As you can see, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.